Hello, my name is Bethany Robinson, and I'm the principal here at Welchester. We want to officially welcome all of our students and families to the 2018-2019 school year. We are so excited that you are a part of this amazing school community. We look forward to partnering with you this school year. It is important to us that we are partners in your child's education. A strong family and school partnership will help improve academic and behavioral outcomes for our students. One of our goals this year is creating a welcoming school community. While we feel like we have a great and strong school community, there are always areas for improvement. One of those areas that we have really worked on is when you enter our school building. So hopefully you have started to notice a different atmosphere and tone as you enter our school. Communication is also very important to us here at Welchester. Classroom teachers want to have consistent communication with you so that you are aware of how your child is doing in school. We also want to make sure that you are aware of upcoming events and activities. Every Friday, we will send home sometimes a call, but always an email around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, ensuring that you know what is coming the following week. And in addition to this communication, we will communicate with you through our school website and my Twitter account. So please be sure to follow me on Twitter at principal_Robinson. One of the things I love about Welchester is that we are a school that focuses on the whole child, their social, emotional, and academic well-being. We believe that all students, regardless of difference, belong to all of us. And we have built a schedule, structures, and systems throughout our school where all means all. So one of the things you may hear tonight from your child's teacher is that we share kids. So sometimes, so that we can better meet the diverse needs of our students, your student may go to the other classroom teacher or a support specialist in order to receive instruction. We believe that this model helps us ensure that kids get what they need when they need it. One of the great things also is our discipline beliefs. We believe that being elementary school students, that students should have an opportunity to practice reflection, restoration, and learning. And so that includes proactive and responsive circles, restorative, informal conferences, teaching of self-regulation strategies, and a focus on empathy and perspective of the other person. We also would encourage family and community involvement in our school. There are opportunities on a day-to-day basis through Eagle Eye, helping in our library, stuffing Friday folders, or anything else your child's teacher might need. We also have a wonderful and supportive PTA, and membership in our school's PTA is just $7 for the year, so please consider joining tonight. Our first PTA meeting is on Wednesday, September 26th at 4:45. We also have a school accountability committee, and this committee's charge is to cooperatively monitor and improve our school's educational programs and conditions. And through that, we gather input from parents, students, staff, and our school community. We will meet at least 4 times this year with our first meeting in October. Safety is our #1 priority, and as I'm sure you know, you will need to identify yourself and be let into our school. So please don't be offended if we ask you to sign in, put on a name tag, and check through the main office. We are just trying to ensure we know who is in our building and why. We also will engage in practice drills, so that includes fire and lockdown drills. We will send communication home when we have our first lockdown drill so that you can have a conversation with your child about safety at school. If we were to ever be asked to lock out or any other safety reason through law enforcement, you will get communication either from the school or from our school district through School Messenger. So again, it's really important that your school notification preferences are always up to date in Jeffco Connect. Once again, thank you for being here tonight. We hope this is just our first opportunity to engage and work together with you over the course of the school year. We are providing dinner tonight between session 1 and session 2, so please join us for dinner, and we hope you enjoy the evening. Thank you.